of the uterus. Okay, and now next to this infundibulum there is going to be a broad portion which is called as the ampulla, where you call it as the widest portion, or it is considered to be the longest portion. And this is the portion where the fertilization is going to take place, where the sperm which is coming through the vagina is going to come and meet the ovum, that is the ovum which is released from the ovary, that is the matured ovum. So this fertilization is going to take place in the ampulla. It is going to be of around 5 centimeter long. Okay, now next is going to be the portion which you call it as isthmus. So this isthmus is of about 2 to 3 centimeter. It is the smallest region. It is going to be only of 1 to 5 millimeter alone is going to be the widest diameter of this isthmus, and this isthmus is going to have folded mucosa. Next, it is going to be the intramural or the interstitial portion, that is, this isthmus goes and joins with this lateral portion of the uterus at a point what you call it as the interstitial portion or the intramural portion, which is of 1 centimeter long and 0.7 millimeter in wide. And now this histology of the uterine tubes, when we are going to take, it has got 3 layers. One you call it as the mucosal layer, which is going to have ciliated columnar epithelium which moves the fertilized ovum. The cilia which are going to be there in the mucosa helps in the movement of this matured ovum. Then after fertilization in the ampulla, it moves into the isthmus, and from there into the interstitial portion, and then it enters into the uterine cavity where it is going to get implanted. Then it is going to provide the fluid. The secretory cells are going to provide the fluid which is going to nourish. And already we have discussed the sperm which is entering from the uterus comes to this portion, and where the capacitation of the sperm is also going to take place. And this peristaltic movements which are going to be present here is helped by the second layer, which you call it as the muscular layer, and ciliary actions of the mucosa. Then the outer layer is going to be the outer portion is going to be the serosal layer. Now when we talk about the embryology of this uterine tube, it is going to develop from a duct which you call it as the Mullerian duct. So this fallopian tube has got fimbriae, infundibulum, ampulla, isthmus, interstitial portion